Yeah, so a lot of people, I don't know the name of this trail, but a lot of people that are like in the Cherokee area, as far as like tourists, visitors stopping through and stuff, they stop at the rest stop and then they go in the visitor center and they might buy things. Oh, so beautiful. This is a sycamore branch. It's so beautiful. Somebody, no, it fell. But anyway, I come back here to look at the trees and just sit by the water a little bit. So this is like the visitor center a little bit. I think when Hurricane Helena came through, a lot of these branches got knocked down, but also a lot of these trees have been bucked in this area. Like, that's bucked, of course, it's a straight cut. And yeah, a lot of people come through here and they go to this area, which is like the visitor center, and they just explore and they look around and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm going back here by the water. That's what I do. That's what I like to do when we come back here. So right now, I'm kind of hoping to find me a tree to spend some quality time with. That one is like right by the water, and I usually like to sit on their roots, but I want to be careful because it's still wet and like everything like that. I might go down further. I'm gonna scope it out and I'm gonna see. This would be a perfect spot, but it's really no trees. And I like to do